Yeah, here we are. It's a new season and we're jumped into full preparation because our goal is to make sure, again, not only our clients, but our caregivers are safe. So we have an emergency plan for every single caregiver, for every single client. We provide emergency radio, lanterns, shopping list for clients, for caregivers, and we really work, especially this year, but even with Irma a couple years ago, our goal is to not have any clients in facilities. We made arrangements with hotels. We rated some of the caregivers in their homes and structures and protection because the shelter system is broken and they can't possibly accommodate, and to put a senior under stress. And we actually have caregivers that stay with clients through hurricanes, and if they have to evacuate, they evacuate together. They really, you talk about stepping up to the plate, rain or shine, these caregivers will go above and beyond because they want to keep their clients safe. So we're already in full preparation for hurricane season.